So it automatically cropped the document and it pulls up the information. And so now I can create a PDF with that, or I can bring it straight into Word, and it will bring the text straight into Word for me, or PowerPoint. But also it has this really nice feature that's called, this is a tool that's built into Microsoft. It's called Immersive Reader. So it's this one down here. Immersive Reader. And this is a type of, it's more AI, I guess, augmented kind of reality in a sense. And it's simplifying the text a little bit. So let's just click on it and see if it works here. Might find it difficult. Okay. So it took the text, and I can click on it in different areas, and I can have it read back.
Handout 5.2a, Tape 5, Education for Understanding Videos.
Alright, so it brings in a lot of the text. Now this is quite an awkward one for it to read because it's in strange tables and boxes. But nonetheless, what it's done here is it's taken some of the text, it's spaced it out. So I can change that spacing. I can change the colors, and I can bring it back to more normal text. But this immersive reader is for people maybe that struggle with their English reading, and this tool also works in various different languages also. So this is called Office Lens. I use it quite a lot. You can also, kids or students could take a picture of the whiteboard, for example. So it has a whiteboard option. So do you see the red box coming there straight away? So it just tries to get rid of everything else. Yeah, so really what it's doing is it's just trying to delete the backgrounds. So really, we've just touched on a few apps there. We touched on engaging quizzes. We touched on taking the built-in features of your phones and helping it to read back and to make reading on the web a little bit easier. And we also touched on how can you create more audio type of file. So we looked at Speaky for that. And then we looked at Office Lens, Presmo, and Notability for taking notes. So we probably looked in total at about 6 to 8 apps there. And what I'll do is I will send those out to you, and I will just also send you, because I'm conscious of your time, but really what I want you to do tomorrow, I'll create a really short video and put it on the Padlet. What I want you to do tomorrow in this segment of class, you will be giving some presentations. So the new group will give a 20-minute presentation. But for my session, what I want you to do is, this evening and tomorrow, is to think about technology. How can technology help your teaching? How can it help your students? And where are the gaps? What are we missing? And I know from looking at the survey that you filled in, some people were quite interested in creating more engaging PowerPoints, for example. And there's a lot of resources that we could look at for that. But on Friday, after tomorrow's session, we will sort of chat about some of the challenges and barriers that are still there, and then I will do a few more practical pieces.